Let's have some fun like they did back in 71. Nothing like working on a 71 Lincoln Continental Mark III. She's a beauty. Carburetor's been leaking, so let's dive in and see what we got. Right. So this 460, big, monstrous 460, she's been leaking a little bit at the carburetor for some time now. And you can see there's quite a bit of varnish and scuzzy and wetness. So we're gonna take and give this thing a little bit of a reseal, gonna tidy up, be in good hands. Take off the choke tube right here. We're gonna undo the 4 bolts at the carburetor base, well, nuts rather. And we're gonna come over here, disconnect the fuel line. We already have the air cleaner off, as you can see. Part of that vacuum system goes right here. So never mind that, it's not a vacuum leak. And we'll get the throttle linkage undone and we'll start tearing this baby apart. Right, from this side, obviously vacuum line, fuel feed, as we've discussed already. We'll pull off our throttle cable and our kick down lever, and that's that. It's just a ball, so you just give it a nice little tug and she'll pop right off. This has a clip. You just go in there with a flathead or a pair of needle nose and pop that clip right off back there, and then that'll be off and out of your hair. Carburetor off, and she is right here. And we are gonna go and take this baby apart. Right. Here's the carburetor off the Lincoln. We're gonna start by disassembling and removing the top. We're gonna take all these screws out here, get it up and apart, look in there, start cleaning. All right, got the top of the carburetor off. Check the floats right here. They're looking pretty decent, actually. One concern here on the accelerator pump, I don't mind my hand, I nicked it as usual, is it's kind of broken off down there in the main body here of the carburetor. Yeah, hold on, we're playing Go Fish. Ah, there it goes. So we have, that's the return spring, that's okay. But this is usually around there, like that. I'll show you on the new one. But other than that, it's not too dirty. I mean, a lot of times you see tons of sediment and junk in here. This one's not too bad, but we're gonna flip it over, take the base plate off, and there's check ball hanging out. Look at that. That's not even where that lives. Sweet. Get that baby unstuck. Get my screwdriver. Okay. Check ball out. Needle and seat action. And we'll see, of course, how everything goes back together when it's reassembly time. But now, I'm going to take off the base plate, which is very similar to a Holly. 6 screws on the bottom. And we're just going to undo them here like that. And next time you see this, the base plate will be off. Base plate removed. Gaskets are not in bad shape. Everything's looking pretty good here. Get a little cleanup so it's not, doesn't have old leaked fuel everywhere. But like I stated, the actual bowl itself looks great. Here's the base plate. Got to get the screws out. Of course, all this stuff's gonna go soaking in the dip tomorrow. And we will continue this rebuild. Getting things more torn down. Took the needle and seat out, and the floats are out. Obviously, they're all right there. Removed the rest of the accelerator pump. Kept it over there as an assembly, just to verify when it goes back together. Secondary plates. We'll pull those babies out here in a minute. The one screw that's stuck in here. Also, guys, for the choke, try not to lose these. I've seen a lot of carburetors where it has the choke and it's just a gaping hole here. Well, when it's got a gaping hole there, that's a big hole for dirt and contaminants to come in, get in your engine, get in your carburetor, all that jazz. So let's keep track of this stuff, boys, please. Yeah, I'm just, exactly.